So this road here is the boundary road going to under bridge, and also going to, sorry for the camera shaking, and also the road going to you can pass this road to Shashi, as well as Spinters. And this is the new road that they are constructing. They construct the runabout they are doing here, and the left side road that they construct to the road that is going to Adjiringanor Road. So I'm gonna take you from here to Adjiringanor Road for you guys to see the road from here to the place before you join the other road to the Adjiringanor Road. And I'm gonna show you the development alongside the road as well. So please stick with me. Please watch the video to the end, subscribe, share the video, like, comment. I really appreciate. Please watch the video to the end to let the YouTube algorithm promote my videos.
Every night, love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't.
So the construction of the new road ends here. It ends here, so this road is already there, and we are going to pass this road to Adjiringanor Road. I'm going to show you the buildings around this side, the development alongside the road as well, and the road itself to the Adjiringanor Road. So please watch the video to the end, like, share, and comment as well.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.
So this area is called Adjiringanor. We are almost at the main road going to School Junction, and also the one that is the left road going to American House. We are almost at that place.
You were safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you will see.
So this is the Adjiringanor main road. This is the road. The right road is the road going to School Junction, and the left road is the road going to American House, as well as the road going to Circle and stuff. So the right road here is the one going to School Junction, going to East Legon Hills as well, and also Trazako. Thank you for watching.